What's going on, guys? We're here with another video. On today's video, we're going to be working on the Camry, my brother's wife's Camry. So my brother actually ordered some Hirev tail lights. These are the black, white, black, right, Rick? Mm-hmm. So the lens is, I think, smoked, and then the actual bulb, or not bulb, but it's a little inside. I don't know what you would call it. What would you call this, cuz? I mean the housing, but but this is white right here. It's white, yeah, white, and then black housing. So black lens, white, there's a little white piece, and then the housing is black. And you can't tell on camera, but you see it. So this is black, white, black. I think they sell them in red as well, and I think just all black housing. They have a couple options on Hirev. So my brother actually ordered these about a month ago. So I told y'all boys we're gonna have some miles for this car coming. So cuz has been kind of, he's a busy man. Busy guy. Doing kids' birthday parties and going to rivers and lakes and riding boats and floating hoes, you know what I mean?
Yacht parties.
He's just been real busy, and I'm pretty sure me and my brother could have knocked it out. But cuz might need to take off the bumper, but from looking at it, I don't think so. Looks like it's just a couple bolts, but probably just the same thing as the Accord. So yeah, boys, we're about to put these on. These have animations too, right, Vic?
Supposedly, yeah.
Start up, and you can switch them or no?
I don't know about that, but
you gotta look it up,
yeah,
guys.
I'm not sure. So this is my brother's car. I didn't really do my homework on this car. This is my brother's car, so I'm just going off of what my brother tells me. So I know they have the sequential for sure, and maybe they have a startup when you turn it on, but I'm not sure if they're like the Accords where you can switch the animations, like 3 different animations, like on the V3 Accord ones. So yeah, boys, we're about to get to it. First model on the Accord, Sauce.
The Camry.
Camry, I'm sorry, so you're saying Accord. How bad? Camry. Bulbs.
2 more.
Alright. I don't know what I'm doing here, cuz. You know, me, I would have just used the flathead and got it out of there because it has
the bone.
The bone is cuddle. So some tens, cuddle.
Tens.
So it looks like take out the little plastic piece and bolt here, 2 tens here.
Right here.
Huh?
The dildo, what Vic calls it.
Vic calls it the dildo. 2 tens. I believe we have a 10 here, and then we take all these clips off to get to the wine and all that.
Here you go, boys. Just a little bang bang boogie. Get it out. What else do you need me to do, cuzzo?
Start taking these off.
Yes, sir, Captain.
Need whatever the little forks you have.
You don't need that, cuz I just need this.
Okay. Alright, boys, we didn't get it on camera, but it's 3 bolts. You have a 10 here, so you gotta take off that black liner, and then there's another bolt here. Same thing on that side, and then you disconnect the light just like that. You got yours, cuz? It's just one.
Or you can do it from here, guys. It doesn't really matter.
It doesn't really matter. Yeah, there's 2 clips, and I'm gonna actually let Cuzzo take this out before I break something. Never mind, this one seems easier. Boom, just like that.
Boom, just like that.
And I think the new lights, they actually come with this new gasket. I think I saw it in the box. So we're gonna show you what it comes with. My bad.
New gasket right here. You got 2 new gaskets for the little lights. You got your wiring harnesses.
Yep.
The harness right here is the main tail lights.
Yep, main tail lights. And I want to say this is for
you got the big daddies.
We're about to figure it out.
You got that. That's if you want to go sequential on the bumpers. I don't know if they make the sequential lights like the Accords.
They do.
Oh, they do. My bad. I was doing my research.
So it should be the same as the Accord. Should be a new harness. Connects to the OEM harness, and then connects to that. Right, is it?
Right, that's your side.
Oh, these are black.
That's what she said.
Alright.
Sorry guys, my mom came in. Got it?
Yep.
I just torqued it down to specs.
Yep.
How many pounds, cousin?
That was about 40 pounds.
That's about 40 pounds right there.
Too much.
Too much. I'm gonna go 10.
Alright, we'll figure out the wiring right now.
You just do this right here, boys. So you can disconnect from there, and then you just plug it in here.
There was another little cable there too.
Yeah,
there was?
your tail lights to get the animation.
Oh, it's stuck.
Where?
Don't do it.
Loosen up the 40 pounds of
Torque cut up.
pull it out.
I'll take this one.
Probably gonna pop up a little more. There we go, boys. Back to the do 10. Did you put the new
Gasket.
gasket on that?
No.
Rewind.
Rewind.
Sure?
Yeah. Because they got a little punto ahí. So don't forget to put your little gasket, your little seal.
We almost forgot.
Yeah.
So,
We're redoing everything.
redo. Just like that.
Make sure it goes down into the, it stays on there, because when you put it on the trunk, it comes off.
Alright. Yeah, this is gonna come off for sure.
Hold it from the bottom, inside the trunk. There, I got mine in.
Yeah, you gotta do this.
Need a tall person. There it goes.
You just gotta finger it, Cuddle.
Okay. Yep. So yeah, redo. New gasket on there. I think you could use the OEM ones, no?
Yeah. Probably gonna use the new ones now. Yeah, so you can see how we got the new grommet here with the wires going through it. On our cords, we had to drill into our original grommet to run the wires.
Yeah.
So
And this one we had to take off the inner liner, right?
we'll pop this back piece off. Very simple, just clips. That. Do like salted cracker dust. And then you're gonna pop this guy off right here. That's your main one. Pull it through, Cuddle. Just pull the grommet, yeah. Feed it through. Second on this side. Pull this back. Anyway, just because that other little thing that this one
Comes your way, dude. Oh, you got it.
So yeah, we'll take off the inner liner to take off this the OEM harness, and then this one already has the grommet, which replaces the OEM part, and then this is gonna go into
here.
this harness on here. If we're correct,
I'm correct.
we're just first time doing this
On this car.
on this car.
Feed it through. Let's do this right here. Push it
Is
through.
it gonna fit?
Yeah, it'll fit.
Hold on, cause let me
There you go. Alright, it's good. It's just gonna go like that. It goes like that.
Good.
Hold the light. Push it through. There you go, Carl. Push it through. Hold, you got it?
Yeah. That's actually pretty cool. You don't have a bunch of wiring like on mine, you know? Mine is like connect the OEM harness to the new harness to the other harness, you know?
Alright, Carl. Slide in. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm not doing this, bro. You are. What about this clip?
No, it stays there. See this right here?
Where's the reverse go? This. Yeah, I'm more black.
I don't think you can see it on the camera.
That just looks black. Alright, so we're trying to figure out the wiring for a little bit. So where did we leave off on the other part?
I think we're just taking everything apart.
Yeah, so we took this off. We had the harness that goes from the tail light here, connects to this harness. And we took off the little pigtail, the OEM one. That
the pigtails up here.
Yeah, but this one also had one.
It did?
Yeah, I remember this one had one. This one had another one.
That had the pigtail. Remember,
yeah.
We took it because of the grommet.
So we took one off here, and then this pigtail up here. Took both of them off, and then just connected it from the tail light onto the OEM harness. And then of course you got your reverse, which runs from this light all the way up. We already hit it, and then it goes up here and connects here. Now there is one little harness. I'm not sure what this goes to. We'll hold on to it. Maybe we're doing something wrong. Maybe y'all guys could tell us in the comments. But it also has a little green plug here that goes on the tail light. But we just tested everything because we're trying to figure out where that goes to, and we can't really figure it out. So right now we just tested all the lights, brake lights, turn signals, everything. Everything works. So yeah, maybe y'all guys can tell us that we're doing something wrong. But this is an XXC model. So maybe it's for a TRD or I don't know the other models, LE or I don't fucking know. But
SE, I think
SE or something like that. Maybe that's for that kind of car. I'm not sure. But like I said, everything worked fine. So now we're just knocking out the other light now. Y de ahí should twist this around. Mételo aquí y lo sacamos por aquí.
Quítalo. Perfect.
So we just ran it underneath here, that way that's not just dangling everywhere.
It's cleaner.
And then the liner's gonna cover it.
Just don't do it on this side, cuz.
Oh, okay.
Alright boys, we're about to test. Alright, turn them on, cuzzo. Looks weird on the camera. What's the turn signal? Left turn signal.
Right signal?
Right signal. Alright, hit the brakes. Alright. Reverse, both reverse work, yep. Alright.
Put your hazards.
And here are the hazards. Hit the brakes one more time. Alright. Cool. Looks like we're good to go. It just looks funny on camera because we're doing that dancing stuff. Nah, just kidding. I was like, yeah, video tell me to record. So yeah, like we said, we just kind of put those harnesses up. I'm not sure that's for a different model or what, but everything's working right now. Hopefully we don't get no people hitting us up, man. I don't know what these guys are doing, but there's a couple people that hit us up and on this from the Accord, and people talking about that they got codes on their dash because they put these lights on and whatnot.
Radio don't turn on.
Radio don't turn on.
If you're getting those errors, you shouldn't be doing this.
You shouldn't, yeah. Because I put them on and we put them on my car and his car and we're good.
That's the third pair, but we do use Hirev.
Yeah, Hirev.
I don't know what they're using.
Yeah, so this is from Hirev, and so everything works fine on these. So hopefully we don't have people, saying that this stuff isn't working on the Camry now.
Y'all do this at your own discretion.
So yeah, everything's on. 10 mils clipped in. All the liners back on.
Everything was pretty much plug and play, like
yeah,
y'all.
it's a little bit easier. I felt like this one's easier. Right, Cuzzo?
Yeah, I tell you, those are always easier to work on.
So, yeah. So everything's pretty much the same steps. 10 mils, the plastic piece, and then up here, the liner.
And they dance when they turn on. I don't know if they dance different or like y'all's.
Yeah, we'll look into it and we'll see what else it does. I'm not sure if they do or they don't, but yeah, when they turn on, they have a little animation. Maybe my brother will get a night clip. Maybe we'll do a little clip at night.
Alright guys, it's a little darker. I wanted to get a darker shot. That's what they look like. They're real dark, man. But let me turn them on. My brother's gonna turn them on. That's a little animation when it starts up. It's the hazards. I mean the left blinker, I'm sorry. The right blinker. That's the brake. There it is, guys.
Good. Alright boys, so that's pretty much going to do it for this video. That's going to be the first mod for the Camry. So it's the Hirev tail lights, the white black tail lights, in case people are still going to ask. I'm sure they're going to ask. My brother put the link down below, but that looks sick, man. It matches with everything. It matches with the emblems, matches with this and the exhaust tips. You'll probably end up debadging, huh?
The top, everything.
The top, yeah, it matches with everything. So it's like that black and white theme going on right now. So yeah, boys. Y'all boys stay tuned for when's the next month for this one, Vic? I gotta ask my brother.
I mean, I'm thinking of something, but
yeah, hopefully there's
they're gonna have to stay tuned, man. They're gonna have to stay tuned.
Y'all stay tuned.
Y'all subscribe.
So for now, this is gonna be the first mod, and yeah, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one. Sauce.
Cuzzo, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Noe.
New video coming up right now on Cuzzo's car. Sauce.